Welcome to the Explainer. Let's dive right into how you can bypass institutional lenders to flip distressed properties. Imagine taking down a massive $5 million asset without begging a traditional bank for permission. Sounds crazy, right? Well, this strategy uses zero traditional underwriting. You completely dodge those brutal, multi-month approval cycles that kill deals. Today's strict lenders create a massive administrative gauntlet. They trap operators and stall your high-potential turnarounds. The secret cheat code? Decoupling. You intentionally separate your operational control of the asset from immediate ownership. It's a dual structure, an absolute triple net master lease paired perfectly with a purchase option contract. You pay a fixed lease mimicking the owner's expenses, but you keep 100% of the operational upside. This targets unbankable, distressed properties where the current cash flow just can't justify standard bank financing. Let's look at a concrete example. A $5 million distressed asset that needs a $750K renovation. Look at this stark difference. Traditional debt demands over $2 million upfront, while our route needs just $875K. That small footprint instantly saves you over $1.2 million in pure liquidity right from day one. So during incubation, you lift the net operating income from $200K up to $520K by year 3. Thanks to your hustle, at a standard 6.5% cap rate, your asset's valuation just skyrocketed to $8 million. But here's the kicker. Your option contract completely locked your purchase price at the original $5 million. Boom. You instantly walk into $3 million of forced equity before ever touching a bank ledger. When you finally approach a bank, you're presenting a fully stabilized asset with a super secure 2.3 DSCR. This extreme structural leverage rockets your final multiple on invested capital from a standard 1.98x up to 3.42x. The takeaway here? Controlling an asset is way more profitable than owning it under strict bank constraints. Ultimately, you've got to treat a property turnaround exactly like an options trade on the commercial market. You prove the concept, de-risk the asset, and force massive appreciation before ever touching those institutional balance sheets. So are you ready to stop begging, bypass the banks, and take absolute control of your next deal?